Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and very good morning to all of my dear student. Welcome student. Welcome to my physics class. Now today's topic is boiling. Okay, what do you mean by boiling? And then we will see the explanation of boiling by molecular motion. Now, what do you mean by boiling? Boiling, the process of conversion of liquid to gas at a fixed temperature that is called boiling. Okay, look at this. Here is the definition is given here. The change from liquid state to the gaseous or vapor state on heating at a constant temperature, that is the most important thing, is called boiling. In evaporation is also happen, same thing is happen, but what is the same thing is in evaporation? Change from liquid state to the gaseous state, this much, till change from liquid state to the gaseous state or vapor state on heating. Okay, this is called evaporation, but the difference is here in boiling constant temperature, and in evaporation all temperature or any temperature. Okay, any temperature. Clear? Okay, the change from the liquid state to the gaseous or vapor state on heating at any temperature is called evaporation. Okay, but at constant temperature is called boiling. Clear? Now the temperature at which the liquid change into vapor without further increasing in the temperature is called boiling. Look at this. I give you one example. Here in a container there is a water and heat is supplied. Okay, now initially the temperature of the water is 30 degree centigrade. Okay, now when you heat it, start giving heat, after 5 minutes the temperature of the water become 100 degree centigrade, and at 100 degree centigrade it start boiling. But after 6 minutes the temperature of the, if you measure the temperature by putting thermometer, the temperature of the liquid is also 100 degree centigrade. The temperature is not changing. Okay, this is the main thing. Okay, the temperature is fixed. So where is this heat gone? You are continuously, so after 7 minutes, 8 minutes, 10 minutes, the temperature of the liquid, this liquid is 100 degree, it is fixed, but the liquid is converting into gas. Okay, so that heat is used to change the state from liquid to gas. Okay, that heat is called latent heat. We will discuss in the higher class in detail. Clear? So the temperature at which the liquid changes into vapor without further increase in temperature, mind it. Here during the boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade. This is the boiling point of water only, not all liquid. Okay, every liquid has its own boiling point, but the temperature of the water, the boiling point of water is 100 degree centigrade, it is fixed. Okay, if you further heat, the temperature is not changed without further increase in temperature. Okay, got it? Did you understand? When during the boiling the temperature is not changed. Why? Because that heat is used to change the state of the substance. The change of the state, which state from to which? Here liquid state converted into gaseous state. So that heat is used. Okay, now hope you have understood. Now look at this. Here, what are the explanation of the boiling by molecular motion. By molecular motion. Now I'm going to read this. This is very important. That's why. Now look at this. When a certain liquid is heated, there is a rapid formation of vapor from all part of the liquid, as indicated by the visible bubbles. When we heat it, any liquid, then the bubbles will produce. Okay, and that bubbles is a that vapor is produced, and the vapor is come out with a visible bubbles. Now heating of the liquid increase the average kinetic energy of the liquid molecule. When this is a water, if you start heating, then the molecule start moving. Temperature, by gaining temperature, the molecule motion of the molecule increase, and the motion of the molecule, if motion increase, then kinetic energy is also increase. Kinetic energy is also increase. When the molecules acquire sufficient kinetic energy to do work against the force of attraction of the molecule. Now look at this here, but now look at this. The molecule now start leaving the liquid into only the surface, but also near the wall of the containing vessels. This shown by the presence of bubbles on the wall of the vessels. The bubbles grow in size with the further evaporation and move to surface in quick succession. This causes the agitation in the whole liquid, and this is called boiling. Now look at what is happening here. These are the molecules of the these are the molecules of the liquid. Okay, molecules of the liquid, heat supplied. Now what happened when the heat supplied, temperature of the liquid is increased. If temperature increase, then motion of the liquid also increase. If motion increase, then kinetic energy is also increase. And if the kinetic energy increase, then the movement of the molecule is faster. And when it is faster, the intermolecular force of attraction between the molecules get weaker, and the molecule will get distance apart. Clear? So when the liquid, the force of attraction between the two liquid become weak, the space between the liquid is increases, and if the space increases, the molecule start evaporating. Okay, space increases, then the molecule, the liquid convert into gas. Okay, so by heating, temperature increases, then the motion of the liquid increases, and kinetic energy increases. Kinetic energy of the molecule increases, and kinetic energy molecule, then intermolecular force of attraction is decreased, and the gap, the space between the molecule, that is intermolecular gap or intermolecular space, is increased, and the liquid is converted to gas. This is happen. And one more thing, if the process of the boiling happen, that is that at fixed temperature, the temperature is fixed in boiling, water boils at 100 degrees centigrade. Okay, but by further heating, the temperature is not changed. So if temperature is not changed, their kinetic energy is also not changed. The kinetic energy is also not changed. Mind it. During boiling, okay, if you supply heat, then if the temperature change, then kinetic energy is changed. Okay, but if temperature is not changed, then their kinetic energy is also not changed. Mind it. Clear? Now look at this here. when the boiling starts, the temperature of the liquid does not increase. It means if temperature do not change, then kinetic energy of the molecule is also not changed. Mind it. Clear? Now look at this. Next point. Effect of pressure on boiling. Effects of pressure on boiling. The boiling point of the liquid increase with increase in pressure, and it decrease with decrease in pressure. Okay, look at this. Effects of pressure. The boiling point of of the liquid increase with increase in pressure. If pressure of the liquid increases, then the boiling point will be increased, and pressure is decreased, then boiling point is also decreased. Okay, what is the reason behind this? Look at this reason. The reason is that at the boiling point, the pressure exerted by the vapor liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure. Thus, the boiling point of the liquid depends on the surrounding atmospheric pressure. Look at this. Here, the boiling point, look at this. The reason is that the boiling point, the pressure exerted by the vapor liquid is equal to the atmospheric pressure. The pressure exerted by the vapor liquid, here liquid convert into vapor, so this vapor liquid also exert pressure. Okay, and the atmospheric pressure is also there. Okay, so these two are equal. Okay, thus the boiling point of the liquid depends on the surrounding atmosphere. Okay, so boiling point of the liquid is depend on the surrounding atmosphere. The surrounding atmosphere, this is the atmosphere, so boiling point is depend on the surrounding atmosphere. Okay, now with the increase of the atmospheric pressure, boiling point of the liquid increase. Okay, boiling point of the liquid increase. With the increase of the atmospheric pressure, the boiling point of the liquid increase to the increase of the pressure and make it equal to the atmospheric pressure, and with decrease in the atmospheric pressure it will decrease. So the boiling point, if the pressure of the surrounding atmosphere if increase, then boiling point will be increase. Okay, if the surrounding atmosphere is decrease, then the boiling point will also decrease. Okay, here one example is given there. This is why the mountains where the atmospheric pressure is low, here sorry, alhamdulillah. Now in the mountain, the atmospheric pressure is very low, so the boiling point at the mountain, on the mountain, become low. The boiling point become low. Okay, that's why the water, look at this. Yeah, water boils below 100 degrees centigrade. Water boils below 100 degrees centigrade at the mountain. Why? Because the atmospheric pressure at mountain is low, then the boiling point is also low. So the general temperature of water, boiling point of water is 100 degree, but at mountain may be less than 100 degree centigrade. Okay, maybe it will boil at 90 degree centigrade. Okay, maybe, but it is less than 100 degree centigrade. At mountain. Why? Because the atmospheric pressure at the mountain is low, and it becomes difficult to cook vegetables. On the other hand, in pressure cooker, look at this, the pressure cooker, okay, here the pressure cooker is like that, it's airtight, that's why it is known as the pressure cooker. The pressure cooker, the pressure is very high, that's why in pressure cooker the vegetable and rice were cooked fast, okay. Why? Because the inside the pressure cooker the pressure is very high, and we know the boiling point is depend on the pressure. If pressure increases, then boiling point also increases, okay. So in pressure cooker, by keeping the water vapor inside it, the surrounding pressure is increased, then water inside it boils at temperature nearly 125 degrees centigrade, so the vegetable get readily cooked inside it. Clear? Hope you have understood this one. So this is all about the boiling point. Hope you have understood this topic. Okay, if you have any kind of question, then you can write in a comment. Inshallah, I will sort it out. Thank you.